Hey everybody, after I posted my Arteflame Rotisserie Prime Rib cook, I got a lot of questions around the device that I was using to baste it, which is called a Flambadou. So I figured I'd do this little video. So first of all, get some fat from your butcher. I got a bunch of beef fat and cut it into strips. Your Flambadou needs to be in the coals for 10 to 15 minutes to get screaming hot, as you can see mine is. Go ahead and pull it out once you're ready to start basting your meat, and then you're going to slip one of those strips of fat in there, and you will see that it doesn't take long for it to catch fire, and basically you are now basting with molten beef fat. Can't get better than that. It's Flambadous are an old school way of cooking, traditionally in France. And I'll tell you what, it is a lot of fun and turns out a great product. So if anybody's got any questions, please leave them in the comments. My buddy Clay from Big Rig Barbecue is the one who fashioned this Flambadou for me and can make one for you. Just reach out to him and send him a DM if you're interested. Thanks a lot for checking it out, and have a Happy New Year.